Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with a Valentine's Day gift bag project. Oh, 3D gift bag filled with sweet candies. Love! I have been making these type of gift bags lately, if you've noticed, and I decided to play with some of my Creative Time goodies that I have in my stash, plus some new items from her latest release. Alrighty, folks, let's get started. 3D gift box in the shape of a purse with the cute little gingerbread, if you want. Cute little heart for Valentine's. This purse can be used for all occasions, all year long. You can customize it as much as you want or as little as you want. I love all the pieces. So in this little 3D purse, I have 6 Lindor chocolates and 3-inch note card that says a little treat for someone sweet with a little mini bow, and it all fits in my purse. All right, now let's go into what products I use to make this, and it's very easy to put together. So this is a great little treat box, bag, gift, cuteness. All righty, got all my little Lindor chocolates. Yes, they're good. On the cover of the purse, back, front, and also the image here, I use the Fun Valentine 6x6 paper pack. This is back in stock. I just ordered some myself, another pack or 2. And you get, there's a pattern paper for the purse. And also, there's my little ginger that I cut out. To cut out this gingerbread die cut shape, you would use the coordinating die, or you can fussy cut if you don't get the stamp set. But it comes from the Love You Most stamp and die bundle. Love this set. You can color and cut the gingerbread here, or cut the die cut out of the paper pad with the same die in the back, and every sentiment on the front has a coordinating die. Love. Now, I could have used some of these in here, but I wanted it to be Happy Valentine's, and this Valentine was just a little bit wider than how I wanted this one. So we'll talk about that in a second. So it's Love You Most, Stamp and Die, and Fun Valentines. Love these two. Fabulous. Now we're going to go into how I shopped my stash. First, out of my stash, I knew I wanted to do something with the purse. The purse die set. This was introduced last year for Mother's Day. And I think it's just great all year round. Here, I'm using it as a Valentine's Day gift box. And this could be for anybody. It doesn't have to be just for Mother's Day, etc. Okay? You get the base, which is this. The layering piece. That's that pattern. Here, that's white glitter for the handle. I would probably reinforce the handle with another strip in the back here. See how it's a little bit, I would put another strip. And this is all 110-pound gray cardstock. Yeah, so I would still reinforce this a little bit. If you're going to give it to somebody, I would reinforce it. And if you're going to hold it together and tie it, I would reinforce it a little bit more with another strip in the back. This is that trim, this trim right here in pink. And then that's the clasp for your purse, that little bit right there. Such a cute die set with an excellent price point. Purse die. So the purse die, as you can see, it is a 2-dimensional die, meaning that it can lay flat on a card or scrapbook layout, mini album, because of the sizing. The purse is 5 1/4 inch tall, almost 4 1/4 inch wide. Okay, you can fold up a A2 card with this easily, very, very easily. So this can even go into an A2 envelope. Cute. But I wanted to make it 3D. So how I made it 3D here for a box, I used something that you guys have seen me show a few times. I tell you, I love this belly band die set. This is almost 1 1/4 inch wide, 8 1/4 inch tall. That's the belly band. And you can wrap this around. I've shown you before where I've used this on cards, etc. But this time I used it here. And I curled it and I created flaps with the little zigzag on the inside, mini album type stuff. But it's easy. And I just folded it around, still showing the stitch detail here on the sides. So it's there. And on the insides, it lays nice and clean. And this is still folded with 110-pound cardstock. I just trained the paper first before I start, curling it around and shaping it on this shape. Now, I could have gone flat on the bottom to lay it flat, but right now, it's almost like my rocker card. Maybe the rocker card influenced this. It probably did, because see it's rocking? I put this die cut here, and then I had nothing over here, and guess what happened? Too much weight. So it kind of went like this. So then I had to balance it, hence the heart, which I think works anyway. So win-win. And then what I also use from the belly band dies, I used this heart right here. That's what you're seeing here. This beautiful dark red cardstock in the back, white cardstock here, that Happy Valentine's Day. That's from the belly band sentiments. So there is a stamp set. This is not sold as a bundle. So you could either just get this, great price point again. And then if you want to get the stamps that go with the set, these, as you can see with this, it's like all year round. Happy Valentine's Day. We have Christmas. We even have Baked with Love with this. Thanksgiving, Thankful for You, Halloween. I also did right here a little treat for someone sweet. See, on the little 3-inch circle card. And we'll talk about that in a second. So the Happy Valentine's Day is out here on white cardstock. And this is heat embossed, okay? I think it's just so cute. Just to jazz this up a little bit, I put a little gem right there in the center. Also put some gems here just to fill out that white space. I think this is a really cute, fun gift bag. Great gift bag idea using the purse. If you're going to make this from scratch, it's 8 1/4 inch tall, then you can adjust the width. This is, like I said, around 1 1/4. You could come down to 1 inch. If you want a slimmer bag, you could go 3/4 of an inch, 1/2 inch. But the slimmer you go, the slimmer everything that fits in there. Right now we're at 1 1/4 with the Lindor truffle chocolates. Love, 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 love. Oh, we even have happy birthday. Look at that. So this is a great little stamp set as well, sold separately from this. And you have 2 choices of labels. This time I use the heart. Times I've been using this one too. Belly band. Next, on this, the little inside gift card I can write my sentiment in. That one is the 3-inch circle card dies. Use this piece for the outer circle right here. This on the cover, that's to hide that little squared off part right there. This is on 110-pound cardstock. And then the pink is one of the stitch die. Okay, so this makes a 3-inch circle, which easily fits and is concealed in this. The recipient won't see it. It will be tucked in here as a nice little surprise little note from you instead of having to write on the back. I just left the back plain so they could either go like this, change their mind, or I want all of this. And because this is all 110-pound cardstock, this is like a all year round. You could just have it on your desk and just have stuff in it all the time. So cute. And the little bow on the note card, that is the mini bow dies. And in particular, this one. Okay? Super duper cute. I even layered up the bow too. 110-pound cardstock, 110-pound glitter cardstock, and then a center right there. All in these layers of pinks and heat embossed right here too. Alrighty, crafters, I just wanted to hop on real quick to show you that the rocker card has now continued, it looks like, into a cute, sweet gift bag. Love the idea. All inspired by this purse. This purse die set, great price point, and also Mother's Day is coming soon too. So if you want to make a bunch for Valentine's, fabulous for Valentine's, fabulous for Mother's Day gifts as well, and birthdays. You know, we all have friends that would love something like this. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be linked and detailed below. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.